Vlogmas day 2. So it is way late in the day. It is almost 5 o'clock. I've been at work, like in the office today, and this morning there was just no time for me to come down here and talk to you, basically. So I'm down here now. It was actually a pretty good day. It was quiet. Mondays are quiet downtown or in the office in general. So yeah, it was a good day, but I'm down here now. I'm gonna do my advent calendar, and then we're gonna have a little chit chat because I took a nice walk downtown at lunch today, and I took you along with me. So yeah, I'll give you a little look at what downtown Montreal looks like nowadays. I mean, we did get a dusting of snow over the weekend, and there's still a tiny bit left. Like here where I live, there's still a little bit of snow, but downtown there's absolutely nothing. And because I took my walk during the day, there aren't many lights and things, but still, it was nice and pretty. It was cold, but it was nice and pretty. All right, so what did I get today? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, come on. There we go. Chef's kiss. Love it. Love it. All right, so that's going to go into my little label box. My hat is not cooperating. All right, so for the rest of the day, the plan is I'm going to go upstairs, get dinner organized, clean the kitchen, hang out with hubby a tiny bit before he goes to bed, and then I'm going to come down here and work on my loungewear set because, yeah, I made some progress on it over the weekend, and I want to maybe even finish it tonight. Yeah. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to leave you right now with some footage of downtown Montreal earlier today, and I will come back after dinner. Talk to you in a bit. All right, so the street I decided to go to kind of give you a look at what downtown looks like nowadays is the biggest shopping street, or the one big shopping street in Montreal. Now, you might have heard of the underground in Montreal where there are hundreds and hundreds of stores, but St. Catherine Street historically was always where the main department stores were, and you'll see one towards the end of the video. Well, you'll see two actually of the really old department stores in Montreal. So the intersection that I'm coming up to now is one of the busiest ones in Montreal, and as you can see, it's very quiet, and this is lunchtime. So this is around noon and it's dead quiet. Mondays, ever since the pandemic, are typically very quiet because people like to work from home on Mondays and Fridays. So there really aren't many people downtown. They have just repaved or redone St. Catherine Street actually recently. So all of these trees and the paving, all of that is all, or the paving stones, is that what that's called? Those are all new from maybe a year ago. All right, some more stores on either side. And hopefully you can see at the top of the building on the left, it says Eaton. So that used to be one of those big department stores. It's closed now. It has been closed for a long time. But that was a huge department stores where everybody went to buy their clothes, their homewares, everything. All right. And you can see there's like no snow, which is weird because it did snow all weekend. And there is snow a little bit where I live, but none left in downtown Montreal, unfortunately. It was a little bit cool. I don't know if I said that, but it was like -5 today during the day. But with the wind, I think they said it felt like -10 or something. I didn't think it was that cold. It was actually a really nice walk. And unfortunately, because I'm there during the day, you can't see any of the lights. But at night, all of the lights are on. There's like fairy lights everywhere. All of the businesses have Christmas decorations and Christmas lights. So it's very, very nice once the sun goes down. And then in the far, hopefully you can see in the far in this video, there's the store called The Bay. That is the oldest store, I think, in Canada. So that's another department store, the Hudson's Bay Company. And there you go. Here's a quick little walk around Montreal. And I'm back. It is almost 9 o'clock. So we had dinner. Yeah, I cleaned up the kitchen, sat with hubby for a bit, watched TV, and then I came down here and I finished my loungewear set, and it is amazing, amazing. So I made the Jeffrey knit pants by Stylark. It's one of their newer patterns. I'm not going to model it for you tonight. I'm just too tired to put this on, but I'm going to try to either take some pictures tomorrow or Thursday, but at some point this week, I promise you'll see it on me. So I've got the elasticated waist. It's got pockets on the side, and it's got like a barrel shaped leg, but this velvet is so drapey, you can't really tell the shape when they're on or when they're hanging. And then my Whistler top, there it is, with the green, like the mint green buttons. I made the shawl collar, and it's got some really fun, where are they, down here, pockets in the front, little gathering here. This is going to be amazingly comfortable and soft to wear when I'm just staying around the house. So yeah, this will be worn on repeat after December 13th when I go on vacation until January 6th. It'll be amazing. So I'm super proud of everything I got done today. I had a full day of work and then came back, made dinner, finished my loungewear set. And mind you, there wasn't a whole lot left to do to the loungewear set, but still. And on top of that, I started wrapping presents. Well, I wrapped one present that I need to bring into work tomorrow. So every year, the company I work for, the Montreal office, we partner with social services, Batshaw services for youths in difficult situations who probably would not be getting any Christmas presents this year unless some people just decided to buy them presents. So we get buddied up with a child. We get to choose their age and all that good stuff. And then we get a wish list, or we get their Santa list, and we pick from the list and buy them something. So this year I decided to buy a telescope for a 12-year-old boy who loves science and the sky and planets and things. I was so excited. So yeah, so I wrapped up my present because social services are picking up all the presents on Friday, and then tomorrow is probably going to be my last day in the office this week, because I was supposed to be in the office on Wednesday, but now somebody's gone and scheduled some meetings with me early morning, which makes it very difficult for me to get downtown at the time I like to get downtown at. So I may be working from home on Wednesday. So there you go. That was my day. Another, well, not a boring day, but it was a full day. But yeah, when I'm going in the office, it's kind of difficult to film anything super interesting. But I hope you enjoyed, and that you'll join me again tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas. Have a good night.